Can you guess these desserts? Let's start. What dessert is this? Chocolate cake. Chocolate cake became popular in the 1920s. Guess this one. Donut. The word donut was originally spelled donut. What dessert is this? Apple pie. Apple pie pairs well with vanilla ice cream. Guess this dessert. Ice cream. Vanilla is the most popular ice cream flavor. Guess this dessert. Cupcake. Vanilla and chocolate cupcakes are the most popular flavors. Guess this one. Popsicle. The first popsicle flavors were lemon, cherry, orange, grape, root beer, banana, and watermelon. Guess this dessert. Macaron. Macarons come from France. Can you guess? Gingerbread man. Gingerbread men are a classic Christmas treat. Guess this dessert. Waffle. Waffles can be sweet or savory, depending on toppings. Guess this dessert. Cinnamon roll. Cinnamon rolls come from Sweden. Which dessert is your favorite? Comment below and follow for more.